Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can convert any website into Android application. But one condition is must, your website should be responsive. Then only we can convert the website into Android application. So you can convert any website that is responsive into Android application just by following steps which I am explaining here. First of all, what I have did, I just convert the constant layout to linear layout and I add the web view. Web view is very simple to add. Just search the web view from here and just drag and drop and give the position. That is the only things we can do. Now web view is in full screen and this web view will display the website. So now we have to go into the coding part. Here I am just creating an object of web view like this, and I can say it val also because it's a constant, and then where because we have to initialize late, so we should be where. Then I'm just using find by view ID, and here r dot id dot web view, and we can say as web view. Like this we can convert it. Now I have to add the URL also, so I say val and URL string, and here I just give the name of my college website www.guide.edu. so this website will be work as an Android application, and webview.load URL, and I pass here the location of the website like this. And one more thing we have to do, we have to give the internet permission in the manifesto file. Then if I try to run it, it will run. You see it is coming, but the problem here is that whenever I click on this button, they are not working because it's a JavaScript. But if I click on this menu, it's not working because it's a JavaScript. So I have to enable the JavaScript also here in this app. For that, what I have to do, I have to just use setting and JavaScript enabled equal to true, like this way, and it is giving some warning, so we are using to suppress this warning at the top like this. So it is enabled. Now I run it again. After this menu will work, these menus will work. Just coming now. You see, just enabling the JavaScript here. When I will click on this button, it will work and it will show me the option to open like menu bar, simple menu, and I click on any particular click link, it will go to the outside of the application. That should not go. We should control it inside the application. We should not allow any link that should go outside of this app, because we are working on app, we are not working on the browser. So what we have to do, I have to make one more change, that I have to set the client, web client, and I have to pass it here web client like this. So this web client is the line which which you can say force these link to be open within a application, and does not allow to go outside of the application. Just I run it again and you will see that all the link will be open inside my application. Nothing will go outside the application for searching a browser. So now if I click like this, when I click on menu, it will enable because we have enabled the JavaScript. And if I click on any particular link, that link will open inside this application like this. It is opening here, it is not going outside. Again I can click and I can search anything. I can search course like this. So each and everything is opening inside the application, nothing is going out. But one problem is also there. When I click on back button, it will go out. You see the application is closed. So I have to control this also, that application should go back if it can go back. For that I have to override a method on back pressed like this, and here I have to check if the web view can go back. We are checking if it can go back, then we have to say web view to go back like this. Else if it is the last page or home page, then application should close. I can also add here the dialog box that will ask you to confirm that whether you want to close your application or not. That is not the scope of this application. I am just explaining how you can convert this. Here you can add the dialog boxes. I have explained so many techniques, how so many way to use dialog boxes in my previous video. Just add the one dialog box here, and on the confirmation of yes, you can close the application, and if client say no, then you just open again the URL. So I am here explaining that it will go back now, it would not be close. You see now if I click on this button, this menu bar, and I go to courses, and I just link on any particular, and I go top down and I click on back button, so it will go to the home page now, back page, and then go to the home page. You see it's coming on home page. When I click here on home page, it will close because it's a first home page of the screen. Here I can ask the confirmation whether you want to close the application or not. So like this way you can convert any application or any website into Android application just by changing the URL here. Just change the URL of your website here and your website will become an app. But condition should be that your application, your website should be responsive, then only it will look good in the application, otherwise the screen will go out of the screen. That's why this website should be responsive. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.